This is the one thing no one talks about that's slowly killing your business. It's not your product, it's not your marketing, it's your Wi-Fi. We were running our businesses on home-grade internet and hindi ko na-realize how much it was slowing us down. Laging naglalag yung mga live selling namin, hindi kami makafulfill ng orders kasi sira na naman yung internet. Minsan pa, nahihirapan akong i-monitor yung CCTV kasi ang bagal ng internet. As a business that heavily relies on Wi-Fi, I realized you can't really run a business with weak Wi-Fi and zero security. Friends, wag nyo na ako gayahin. Huwag nyo nang intayin mangyari sa inyo to. So if you are a small business owner like me, consider upgrading your systems and security. And if you're looking for a service that can do both, consider switching to GFiber Biz 2499 by Globe Business. Up to 800 Mbps siya na dating 500 Mbps, so that's 300 Mbps faster. It also has a free modem and a landline with unlimited calls to all mobile and landline networks nationwide. Makakapili ka rin ng One Business Essential, which includes 2 pieces of CCTV for your security. At higit sa lahat, friends, waived ang installation fee. Sa totoo lang, it's the first time I felt really equipped to grow the brands. And for $2,499 a month, sulit siya ha. If you want to check this out, check this link to know more.